Hello friends and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can fix the situation when the name and Apple ID is grayed out. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, write your comments at the end of the video, and also be sure to remember to put your likes under this video. So let's get into this topic. And let's say that when you open the settings and you see that your Apple ID is grayed out, and at the same time you can't open it and find out any additional information or access any settings. This means that your Apple ID was previously hidden. And in order to fix this situation, you will need to go to Screen Time in the settings, and then scroll down to the bottom, go to this option here, and then also scroll down to the bottom, select the Account section. And as you can see, you may have it enabled to not allow Apple ID to be shown. And you'll just need to switch to the other line Allow. If you have your phone password, like I do, then enter it. Now, if you exit the settings part and go back into it, in a few seconds you'll see that your Apple ID is no longer grayed out, and you can log into your Apple ID and do what you need to do. This is how you can easily fix the situation when your Apple ID is grayed out. I really hope this video has helped you. Please friends, put your likes, comment and subscribe to this channel. See you soon.